Welcome to this lesson. We are learning how to say facts about landmarks. To start, we need to identify what the landmarks are. Over here you have examples. The Eiffel Tower is a landmark. Machu Picchu is a landmark. The Neuschwanstein Castle is a landmark. The Mount Fuji in Japan is a landmark. The Statue of Liberty is a landmark too, and the Big Ben is a landmark. Now, they can be monuments, buildings, ruins, landscapes, and many other places that are interesting from a city or from a place. To say the facts, we are using a specific form. I want you to pay attention over here to the sentences that you have in the description and especially in the verbs. As you notice, we have over here it was open. So the verb is two parts, but the second part is in the past participle and we are using the verb be, in this case in the past because we have the date. This is when it was opened in 1889, the tower was red. So this is a fact. After a decade, it was painted. So my verb is was painted. Yellow and later it was covered in different shades of brown. So this is the structure we are learning today to describe the things because as you notice, our subject is the Eiffel Tower, the landmark, but this is not doing anything. It shows the result of the events. So we don't mention people here. It is located in this case, and we have this one. Machu Picchu is located, but nobody did this action. It is located because it is its nature. It is there. So that is the fact. Then above sea level, and it has resisted several earthquakes. When there is an earthquake, the stones dance and fall back into place. Very interesting. Then we have the Neuschwanstein Castle. This beautiful castle in Germany was the inspiration for the Walt Disney Magic Kingdom Sleeping Beauty Castle. And then we have the Mount Fuji, the highest mountain in Japan, is made up. Once again, we find this structure in which we have the verb be and the verb in the past participle form, but we don't have people here as the subject. We have things, and these things are not capable of doing actions. They only receive the actions or they show the result of things. In that case, this form is called passive voice. We have passive and active voices, and we are learning how to differentiate them and how to use them. Over here in the example of the Statue of Liberty, we have the 350 pieces were made. Once again, I am using made, but the difference is that over here it refers to the past, and over here it refers to a fact that is not changing. And finally, the tower is named Elizabeth Tower. Big Ben is the name of the bell inside. You see? So analyze this text because we are working with this structure in this unit.